buses going up and down, and we don't make it our business that we should actually be involved in the school's life. So we just want to rekindle that and ensure that everybody gets involved in education. It should not only be a response when there is a crisis, but also to ensure that there's capacity that is built for the SGB so that they're able to monitor finances of schools. We only go to a school when there are allegations that money has been squandered or misappropriated. It's then that parents will be standing up and going to the school. But on the day-to-day running of the schools, the purchases and orders that are being made in the school, no one is actually taking interest in that. It's only when things have gone pear-shaped, it's then that we get involved. So we are trying to rebuild and resuscitate the culture of learning, but getting parents and all stakeholders involved in the education of the children, irrespective whose child it is, but every child that as a parent you need to ensure that. Look, one of the things that we wanted to do, one is to get a sense as to has the department been doing or performing optimally and up to expectations. And we found that there have been gaps there, and that's where we're also emphasizing that the head of the district must begin to grow teeth and bite. There shouldn't be engagements on wrongdoing. Wrongdoing is wrongdoing, and it cannot be changed. People must be disciplined, and those that are not interested to be in the education sector, they must just leave the education sector. But to say that we have achieved what we wanted to do, we have achieved, because one of the things is we want to have inputs that we make in terms of policy shift. For instance, we are talking on how do we realize the construction of new schools in new housing developments. We've spoken to human settlement developments that cater for 10,000 and above housing opportunities. There you need education facilities, but the construction of the education facilities is placed somewhere. Isn't it about time that the Gauteng provincial government begins to relook as to how it has configured its department, so that the issue of the construction of education facilities becomes a priority, and at all material terms it matches what other developmental issues are. Look, right now we have ECDs that have come to the Department of Education. How are we going to cope with that? So we need to have a better working relation and coordinated by the Gauteng provincial government to ensure that we are responsive when it comes to education. So that's one of the primary things that we want to do. There will be other regions that we have a policy shift as to how do we then conduct our business when it comes to education.
Okay, thank you very much, Speaker, for your time. Thank you for the courtesy of extending to us. One last question. Is this the last time such an event is held here in West, or are we going to see more of it?
Look, what we intend to do is to break it to the sub-regions, sub-districts, so that we are able to have monitoring structures. At the follow-up summit, we will now be getting report back from all the stakeholders to say, in our engagement structure, when we speak to infrastructure, repairs and maintenance, and all other related issues, this has been the strides that we have taken. On resourcing of the schools, as it was raised, these are the things that we have been able to get. We have not received complaints of assistant teachers that have not been paid. Finances of these schools have been ordered. SGPs have been trained, have been capacitated. So we want to break it down to those sub-districts and start to have dedicated teams that would form a structure that will actually be monitoring, but actually and obviously be overseen with the assistance of the district and the head office in to ensure that work gets done and we don't go back and forth when it comes to complaints, whether it's about discipline, whether it's about corruption or any other matter. So this is just work in progress.